Welcome to ACF Lab for Build Your DB server and interact with your DB using my app. Click Start Lab. Click Launch with 10 credits. Click Open Console. Click Copy Username. Paste it into OS console management IAM username. Copy password. Paste into password. Click Sign In. Task 1. Create a VPC security group for the AWS DB instance. Go to VPC in the AWS Management console. Select Security Groups. Click Create Security Group. Add DB Security Group. Type DB Instance Security Group. Select My Lab VPC. Click Yes Create. Select the DB Security Group. Go to Inbound Rules. Click Edit. Choose MySQL/Aurora 3306 for type. Change the source to Web Security Group. Click Save. Task 2. Create a DB subnet group. Click Services. Select a DS. Select the subnet groups. DB subnet group. DB subnet group into name. DB instance subnet group into description. Change VPC ID to My Lab VPC. Use the first availability zone. Change subnetted to 10.0.3.0/24. Click Add button. Select second availability zone. Select subnet ID 10.0.4.0/24. The Add button. Click Create button. Task 3. Create an AWS DB instance. Go to Instances. Click Launch DB Instance. Select MySQL. Select MySQL under Production. Next step. DB Instance Class. Select DBM for large. Do not use the DBT2 micro. Change the DB instance identifier to LabDB. Master username to master. Master password is lab password. Confirm password is lab password. Next step. VPC to My Lab VPC. Select DB subnet group. A slide note. DB security group for VPC security group. Change the backup retention period to 0 days. Disable the enhanced monitoring. Add the database name to lab. Click Launch DB Instance. Your DB instance is being created. Click View Your DB instances until the status become available. Copy the endpoint. At Notepad. For interact with your database. Go to Services, select EC2. Instances. Server 1. Public IP address. Public address into web browser. Go to AWS. Endpoint. Base type lab. Name type master. The type lab password. Commit. DS again. Book will appear. You can start to add contact into it. Last name. First name. And email into it. Submit query. Try to edit the contact. Last name to any name. Query. And try to remove the contact from the address book. Click the Remove. The entry has been removed. Congratulations, you have completed this lab.